What happens if climate regulations are rolled back? Everybody's reacting emotionally. Let's slow it down and look at what's actually happening. When a major environmental regulation gets rolled back, the planet doesn't suddenly change overnight. Climate systems don't respond to headlines. They respond to accumulated emissions over time. So in the short term, almost nothing dramatic. Carbon dioxide stays in the atmosphere for decades. One policy shift doesn't spike temperatures tomorrow. But here's where it gets real. Over the medium to long term, if fewer regulations mean more fossil fuel production, the weaker vehicle efficiency standards, a slower transition to cleaner energy, then emissions accumulate faster, and climate change is cumulative, not instant. That means more heat stress, more extreme weather volatility, more strain on infrastructure and agriculture, not apocalypse, not zero impact either. Now here's the part most people ignore. Even if federal policy loosens, markets still price risk. Insurance companies don't care about politics. They care about payouts. If hurricanes intensify or wildfire zones expand, premiums rise. Coverage pulls back. Mortgage markets tighten in high-risk areas. That's a feedback loop. Costs don't disappear. They move, and then there's innovation. If deregulation lowers compliance costs, that capital might flow into energy tech.
Accelerate nuclear.
Expand storage. Scale carbon capture. If innovation outruns emissions growth, impact softens. If it doesn't, the system corrects through stress. The real variable isn't ideology, it's economics. When clean energy becomes structurally cheaper than fossil at scale, the transition continues, regardless of politics. The planet responds to physics. The economy responds to incentives. The question isn't, is this good or bad? The real question is, are we accelerating innovation faster than we're accumulating risk? That determines the outcome.